Hiya, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make little pieces of art and turn them into a pendant. This idea actually came from Lindsay from Perpetually Charmed. I will put a link in the description of her YouTube channel and also her SD shop. She does some good, really cool stuff in there. So I'm going to use these pendants. You just get like a silver pendant back and a glass dome in the set. So I'm going to just draw a circle around the glass dome so I know how big my paint's got to be. I'm using a permanent marker here, just like one of those really thin Sharpies, so when I paint the pen doesn't bleed. So I'm just going to do a simple scenic painting. You can do whatever painting you like, and these just make a really cool gift or just a really cool way of actually carrying a piece of your own artwork around with you, if that's the kind of thing you want to do. So I'm just going to do a really simple pyramid kind of theme here. I've always wanted to go to Egypt and visit the pyramids and stuff, so that's what I decided to do in this one. I do also like to paint mountains and stuff, but I thought I'd try something different for my first one. So I'm basically just using acrylic paints here and a really thin brush to make these tiny little paintings. So you can pretty much do whatever you want. You don't have to paint. You can draw pictures and things, as long as you can do it in a small on a small piece of paper. Obviously if you use like big chunky pens you won't be able to make anything too small. So this is what it looks like when I'm done. I've done 3 of them. That orange one did have a better gradient on it, but for some reason the camera is picking up a hell of a lot of orange. So once they're dry you just have to cut them out. I cannot for the life of me cut out a circle right, even when there's a line showing me exactly where to cut. It still don't come out a complete circle. It's like always a little tiny bit that's not quite a circle. So I tend to cut it out with a lot of space left and then go around following the line a bit closer. Yes, make sure these are fully dry before you start this, otherwise you'll smudge it. So I'm just going to test to make sure it actually sits in the back, and it does. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue to this. Again, doesn't have to be fancy glue, just something that will hold it in place. Gonna spread it around a bit. Then I'm going to place this in the back and press it down. Then I'm just going to add the glass bit on top of that. Again, just attaching some glue to the glass bit. Though the glass does actually amplify the picture, so it makes it look kind of bigger. So it might miss some of the things like more close to the edge. You might lose that in the picture. So you can actually use clear embossing powder to seal it instead, or you can use resin, depending on what you like, and that'll seal it and make it look nice as well and shiny. But that's it, as simple as that. And once all that's dry you can clip it onto either a necklace, key ring, anything like that, or if you do even smaller ones you can put them on bracelets and carry a piece of art with you, or give it to someone as a gift. So hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.